The main problem is that those conference calls have resembled sketch comedy events on Saturday Night Live. I mean, you don't get guidance whenever you meet it since there hasn't been a CFO since Zach departed in August. As you can see, this was a crucial call for Musk and the rest of the team, but those there also provided some strategic direction around price and margin pressure. And you know what? I believe train wreck would be a pretty safe word to use. Get ready to be enthralled with Tesla's groundbreaking achievements, from their breakthrough advances in fully autonomous driving to their steadfast dedication to sustainability and innovation. Tesla keeps pushing the limits of what the automotive industry can do. This expert, who highlights Tesla's potential for substantial development and market dominance, forecasted that the company's shares would hit $315. The fun doesn't stop there, though. Come explore the fascinating events taking place at Rivian, the rising star in the electric vehicle industry. In the field of environmentally friendly design and efficiency improvements, Rivian is making a name for itself in the niche market for sustainable transportation. Their innovative style captivates audiences, so take a seat back, unwind, and get ready to be informed, inspired, and delighted. We would prefer you to click the like and subscribe buttons before continuing. Welcome to Tesla Stock News, where there are countless opportunities and the future is here. Now let's get started. According to analyst Dan Ives, Tesla's stock will rise and reach $315. Despite this optimistic vision, Tesla's communication has recently faced difficulties that have been compared to Saturday Night Live comedy since the company does not have a chief financial officer. An 80% sell-off that was ascribed to communication problems rather than underlying concerns has resulted from this lack of transparency. Audience, while this may appear to be a difficult time for Tesla, cling on. In the upcoming 6 to 12 months, when Tesla introduces more reasonably priced cars and progresses in autonomous technology, the story may change. For Tesla investors who seek comfort in more reliable assets such as Nvidia and Microsoft, it's a wild ride. But keep in mind that it has always been a bad idea to wager against Tesla. Speaking of investments, well-known financier Cathie Wood recently bought $1.3 million worth of Tesla shares, demonstrating her continued large stake. With regulatory clearances in Europe and the prospect of fully autonomous beta releases, Tesla's expansion prospects appear promising. But don't let the excitement end there. Hold on to your hats. Cathie Wood provides perspectives on the relationship between innovation and changes in the economy. She makes a suggestion on something that might ignite Tesla's upcoming significant surge. Wood's analysis highlights how disruptive technologies such as autonomous driving and electric vehicles will play a crucial role in transforming transportation in the future. Investors, having seen the revolutionary potential of these advancements, are well positioned to profit from Tesla's sustained development trajectory. In news related to regulations, Tesla severs its connection with the Australian Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries, citing misrepresentation of carbon emission levels. In the meantime, Panasonic Energy is thinking about making more investments in Kansas to satisfy Tesla's growing battery needs. It's not all plain sailing, though. A recent attack at Giga Berlin caused a setback, raising safety concerns and forcing a production halt. Radical organizations demanded the factory be destroyed, endangering local communities as well as Tesla's business activities. To protect their staff, Tesla, however, quickly ordered their evacuation. Despite this, the shutdown's financial cost is still rising and has already approached $1 billion. There has been some discussion indicating that things may not improve as rapidly as we would want. To protect the rule of law and stop similar instances in the future, the government does, however, pledge to take strong action. It appears that Rohan Patel is assuming the role of PR representative for Tesla, providing information about the Giga Berlin predicament. He reassures the community about environmental worries by highlighting the factory's economical use of water. Notwithstanding this bustle of activity, investors are taking notice of recent stock market movements with a raised eyebrow. The decision by Ross Gerber and Gary Black to sell their Tesla stock has caused a stir in the financial world, igniting discussion and speculation. Gary Black has a history of selling shares, so his most recent action has drawn special notice and raised concerns about how Tesla's stock price may fluctuate in the future. Gary Black's more pessimistic assessment of Tesla's 2024 delivery projections has fueled the flames by deviating from the more optimistic voices on Wall Street. Black's cautious approach implies a more measured approach to projecting future performance, even though some experts are still upbeat about Tesla's growth possibilities. Investors are apprehensive about the company's future as they consider the ramifications of these divergent viewpoints. One thing is certain in spite of all the turbulence and volatility in the market. Tesla is still pursuing innovation and growth at a breakneck pace. Gary believes that surpassing Wall Street's delivery estimates will determine how well Tesla's stock performs in the future. Local incentives in China are pushing demand for Tesla's Model 3 despite volatility, suggesting that sentiment may be about to turn around. Tesla's stock is erratic, but the volatility may present chances for astute investors. It's evident that Dan, Kathy, Gary, and many other industry experts envision a bright future for Tesla. You know who else is as optimistic about Tesla as you are? Our pals from Seeking Alpha. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's phenomenal rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for the most recent information on Tesla, Tesla stock price targets, Tesla innovation, and everything Elon Musk related for fans of the company and those who have an eye for finding the next big stock market find. Get to the facts without listening to the lamestream media's anti-Tesla propaganda. To take advantage of a special discount, click the link in the description. In other developments, manufacturing schedules will be impacted by Tesla's expectation that its Turin plant won't have electricity until March 17. There are rumors circulating regarding the much-anticipated Model 3 performance upgrade, which suggests an improved motor introduction in May. Although Jay Leno hinted at a possible triple-engine configuration, sticking with dual motors seems more realistic. In the meantime, as demand for Tesla vehicles continues to soar in one of the biggest automotive markets in the world, Tesla is moving quickly in China, stepping up its hiring efforts to bolster its delivery staff. The company is focusing on developing its staff while strategically positioning itself to meet the evolving needs of its clients. Tesla is in a good position to improve customer satisfaction and expedite delivery processes. Elon worries that governments would try to manage artificial intelligence, AI, which might be dangerous given the potential for AI power to get concentrated in the hands of a small number of people. Erston adds his voice, stressing the distinction between AI and nuclear weapons and the clandestine nature of AI abuse. The discussion touches on democratizing access to AI in order to stop businesses from monopolizing it, bringing comparisons to gun ownership. Despite the risks, the discussion emphasizes how important it is that everyone have access to technology. Turning the page, another expert shares his thoughts on Tesla's stock performance and investment approach. When he looks back at how Tesla has changed since 2019, he notes shifts in the company's priorities, especially with regard to AI and autonomous driving. Although he thinks Tesla's AI project has potential, he stresses the significance of having a strong core business. He acknowledges that there are difficulties in balancing Tesla's present trajectory with its growth expectations, particularly in the auto industry. Despite obstacles, he maintains a cautious optimism and makes financial decisions based on the worst-case scenario. Tesla persevered through the early setbacks with the Roadster, Model S, and Model X, giving rise to the phenomenally successful Model 3 and Model Y. However, the good news is that Tesla will not let the present obstacles stop it from pursuing fully autonomous technology. The corporation reaffirms its commitment to influencing the direction of transportation as it pushes forward with innovation and overcomes challenges. With every development, Tesla firmly establishes itself as a frontrunner in the automotive sector, advancing toward a sustainable and innovative future. This expert looks askance as he criticizes Elon Musk's decision to treat the auto industry like a cash cow. He highlights the interconnectedness of Tesla's pricing management and new car development. Investing in Tesla is riskier now than it was in 2019. This is because the gamble to prioritize FSD over expansion has not yet paid off. Looking back, he remembers a critical period in 2019 when doubters were predicting that Tesla's stock would plummet. But Tesla overcame the critics and proved them incorrect, despite the doubters. He reiterates Omar's remarks, highlighting Tesla's ability to withstand market turbulence. Meanwhile, on the streets, onlookers are still in awe at Tesla's complete self-driving capabilities, smooth and natural movements. This state-of-the-art technology promises to completely change how we navigate roadways and is a significant advancement in car safety and convenience. There is growing expectation for widespread adoption and seamless integration of Tesla's FSD solutions as the company improves and broadens its product line. It is impossible to overestimate the possible impact on traffic efficiency, road safety, and general mobility, which would further solidify Tesla's leadership in the automobile industry. The fun doesn't stop there, though. Rising star in the electric car industry, Rivian creates waves with efficiency improvements that bolster its competitive advantage. Rivian's dedication to maximizing performance while minimizing environmental impact positions them as a strong contender in the EV market as the industry moves towards sustainability and eco-consciousness. Rivian is getting closer to its goal of providing everyone with sustainable transportation with every development. Audi, a mainstay in the premium car market, entices enthusiasts with the Q6 e-tron's potential. With the launch of this electric SUV, Audi is demonstrating its strategic shift towards electrification and entering the rapidly growing electric car industry. With its state-of-the-art features and unwavering performance, the Q6 e-tron seeks to reinvent the electric SUV market and go above and beyond expectations. The industry is moving toward electrification as legacy automakers adjust to meet changing consumer needs, and Audi's daring move highlights this trend. As things stand, the automobile sector is going through an unparalleled period of innovation and transformation. The future of transportation is brighter and more interesting than ever because of innovations like Tesla's revolutionary complete self-driving capabilities, Rivian's dedication to sustainability, and Audi's electrification initiatives. Let's think about the following queries as we analyze the ideas discussed today. How will the future of mobility be shaped by Tesla's persistent emphasis on FSD? What effect will the efficiency improvements made by Rivian have on the market for electric vehicles? And what impact will Audi's foray into the electric SUV market have on the overall auto industry? Post your thoughts in the space provided for comments below. Use Tesla stock news to stay informed, involved, and ahead of the curve. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to receive the most recent information and insights into the Tesla and wider worlds. I appreciate you viewing and see you later.